Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, today is Eliza's birthday. Before we sing, we'd like to thank Baekchunim for sponsoring her birthday event. Okay, so what will you do?
Baekchunim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, so let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Eliza. Happy birthday, Eliza. Happy birthday, Eliza. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Eliza.
Happy birthday, Eliza. Happy birthday, Eliza.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Eliza. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Okay, she is 12 years old. Okay, so blow your candle and make a wish. Yay! Happy birthday! Okay, so we will distribute pack lunch. Kamsahamnida. Okay, so eat your pack lunch. It will. It will. Mana mo kaon?
Ay, puasa. Baekchunim, kamsahamnida.
Baekchunim, kamsahamnida.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Good evening, students.
Good evening, teacher Mildred. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening.
Now I have to explain about personal hygiene. For that, it's very important personal hygiene for you because kanang mga daga na mo pangalitaw. Kasabot, kaya some of you kanang mo ang lidere, nililipyo sa or bad odor, sa tangha. Na kinahanglan magkanang limpyo sa pagalingon. Kaya nga no, importante kayo maglimpyo sa pagalingon kay makuha ma-reflect na sa inyong pagalingon kung unsa mo. Sabot, importante kaayo ninyo. Dili lang sa diri, importante po na sa gawas, sa eskwelahan, sa asa na. Okay. Pati ba sa kayo, magstorya mo sa inyong mga amigo, amiga na okay ba? Sabot? Ha? Sige. First,
Personal hygiene means taking care of our body, keeping our body clean, keep us healthy.
ang personal hygiene, mo tapos ninyo nga importante kaya ninyo. Kaya nga no, wala may personal hygiene, hindi mo malipyo sa inyong pagalingon, magsige mo sakit. Diba? Observe mo, hindi mo maligo, hindi mo manutbrush, hindi mo manutbrush, sakit yung ngipon. Kinahanglan na may personal hygiene ha. Yan, maligo permit, hindi lang gana-gana lang. Grabe magtugnaw, hindi mo maligo. Ha? Nasabot? Students?
Ways to keep your body clean. Brush your teeth, twice a day after getting up in the morning, before going to bed at night.
Brush your teeth. Matanggingan ninyo, permanente mo, toothbrush. Kanang, kamata ninyo kagabi, kabuntag. Toothbrush dahil mo, ikatog ninyo. Kagabi po, toothbrush mo para, anong kinahanglan, importante kayo mag-toothbrush. Kay, ano man, isa. Ha? Wala. Kaya ka, ninyo para ganahan sa mga storya. Naku, storya ninyo, baho kayo. Pagpred kayo, pero wala pa nag-point, ha? Ate manan ko ninyo yung kagalingan ba? Ha? Asabot? Number 2.
Take a bath in it. Wipe your bodies after shower after bath.
May kawan niyo ligo. Trako, ay to alya po nga limpia. Ayaw po lang use na pila ka 1, 2 months. Pati sa kayo. Ha? Kinahanglan, every week, labahan ninyo yung mga toalya namin, mga personal towel. Ha? Wish ninyo, share mo sa iyong mga sister. Okay na basta masimot ganyan baho na hanap ko. Grabe po ko, gamitin ko rin. Huwag na ligo para malimpyo yung lawas.
Keep your hair clean. Wash your hair
Regularly
using a natural shampoo.
Comb your hair. Keep your hair clean. Kamu mga babae, o saan man na, dili sa mga babae lang. Kamu tanan, iyaman ng kanay, ikaw man yung ligo, kanang sudlayan. Kaya importante kayo na. Ha? Kailangan sa kayo, ikaw man yung ligo, kalagag kayong buhok. Yung mali, hindi mo magkuhan, hindi mo maludlay, magawas ninyo. Ha? Dili lang sana, ikaw magligay ka, kanang kamata ninyo, sudlayan yung buhok. Ha?
Wear neat and clean clothes. Change clothes
Every day. Wear clean clothes. Ikaw man nag-live. Dili na sa ikaw man nag-live. Ikaw man yung eskwela, hubuon ninyo. Para lisan mo lagom. Anong purpose mo na. Di mo lagom yung uniform, hubuon ninyo. Naman mag-ilis sa kuwan. Tanda ninyo hugaw kayo sa nina. Mag-ilis. Dili lang kanang 3 times. Gusto ninyo 3 times a day. Yung ilisan ninyo sa nina. Baho mo na sa kayo. Diba? Number 5.
Wear shoes and
Sandals.
To keep your feet clean, do not go out of your house.
Barefoot. Hindi maklaro? Barefoot. Sapat ano yung wear shoes or sandal or slippers. Kung gawas mo at magkuhan mo, maggamit o chinilas. Dahil sige magtiniin. Kaya for in case nga di mo kamantay na yung mga bildo or kanay lansa, matunok, no? Naku, problema. Ha? Number 6.
Wash your hands before and after eating food, after playing outside.
Wash your hands. Masama na, Jamaica, wash your hands. Sama.
Wash your hands.
Malipyo, manghugas sa kamot. Manghugas. Like, kung sabi ganito rin manghugas sa kamot. Very good. Manghugas sa kamot. Before, kanalagay na mag-CR mo. Dahil sumuka online, sige, basit tayo na yung pilit. Kinalang manghugas. Ha?
Gandong elementary. Dong, Stephen. Ito. 안녕하세요. Asa ka? Mag-unsa man ka? Okay, let's go!
So for this afternoon, we will going to have an activity. What do you call that one? Performance task. So based from our lesson, the following hands out here. So we have here the word affectionate with the following meaning. as well as behave. Then we have here courage. Okay, so and we have here dependable. Okay, so we already discussed this one, right? So na-discuss na din ako. Okay, yes. Okay, yes or no, just say. Okay, so be ready. Use your magnetic board for number 1. It means showing love, warmth, and care towards others through actions and words. Kato daw nga mukiss ka sa imong mama, muhag ka sa imong mama, papa, then you will say kind words, loving words. Okay, so what is that word? Okay, very good. How about the students at the back? Maghuwat ninyo guys. Okay, so unsa ang answer? Please faster. Erase if tarong ang inyong answer dahil dili makita. Okay, at the back please raise your answer. Okay, so affectionate. Very good. Down. So timan-an ha. Kanang affectionate, meaning ana, naghatag daw, nag-show ka, nagpakita ka love sa imong parents. Nagpakita ka og respect. Nagpakita ka og actions and words ang buhaton ani. Okay, next. Unsa man ni siya? Means doing what is right. So obeying our parents, teachers, and our leaders. Kato daw bata nga dili magkiat. Unsa man to'y tawag? Ang bata nga dili magkiat, unsa man kanang mo ana inyong teacher sa school o unsa may tawag ana, ha, kanang dili magkiat nga bata. Then if naay ipahimo nga task, maminaw, dili magpabadlong. Okay, very good. Okay, so unsay answer?
Behave.
Behave. Okay, next. Timan-an ha ang katong mga meaning. Okay, so what is this word na is the voice saying I can, kanang kaya ni nako. It reminds me to be honest and kind and step up to help others in need. So always try your best daw ni siya. Trying your best. Okay, unsa ni siya? Trying your best. Very good. So unsa ni siya ang answer?
Courage.
Very good. So let's have question number 4. Number 4. Okay. So, being someone others can rely on and trust. Makasaligan daw mo sa uban. Tungod kay, you are responsible. If naamoy task, makasalig inyong parents, inyong buhaton, manlimpyo mo sa panimalay. Makasalig ang inyong teacher nga nag-assignment mo. Nagwala mo nagpabadlong, i-complete ninyo ang task. So, unsay tawag ana niya?
Dependable.
Okay, very good. So, asa naman to nasaluyo? Naka-answer na tanan? What is this word? Dependable. Okay, so atong pahabuton si Jeff. Okay, so Jeff is a new student. So ato siyang paabuton ha. Okay, so unsay answer? Dependable. Very good. So, at your kanang home, your home, pwede kaayo mo mag-study. Okay? So, practice also at home, reading, as well as sa naamoy mga books sa inyong school, right? Sa mga modules ninyo, mga modules sa una gipanghatag, pwede ito nyo practice. Practice to basa, practice reading. Okay? Okay, very good. So mag-practice ta og mga reading sessions, writing sessions diri sa study room. Fighting!
Fighting!
Okay, very good.
So for this afternoon, I let them have activity, which is this one. They were going to give 5 examples of sentence saying true words in action. So those are the examples. And Vanessa also is helping
new student in reading. The other students will going to answer the following task I've give to them.